The land is drying out fast now, with the wind cutting across the flat open landscape. So Jonathan is now rolling in the beans to conserve moisture. The 4455 still has the dual wheels fitted, so it's the logical choice for the job, working with a 12.2 metre set of Opico Vari-Flex rolls. Jonathan is rolling every other pass first, following the tram line marks left by the drill, then filling in the remaining bouts. Working in this way minimises overlap, preserves the tram line marks, and avoids tight headland turns and scuffing. It's no great load for the tractor, idling at just 1300 RPM in 13th gear at 6.5 km/h to give the rolls time to do a good job. The rolls were made in Denmark by He-Va and distributed in the UK from the mid-90s by Opico. This set dates from 1999. Each section pivots centrally and a spring system transfers weight onto the wings.
So John Deere 4455, the largest of the small chassis tractors. First registered in Sweden in 1989. She's 160 horsepower out of the factory, but she's certainly a lot more than that. Very, very lively tractor, tremendously powerful, hasn't struggled with anything that we've put to it so far. Been spring tying with it, been rolling with it. Just a beautifully tight tractor. Very low hours, she's on 5,700 hours. Just a true testament to how well it's been looked after. Yeah, stunning machine. So slight differences that we see with this 4455 in particular are the mudguard extensions, which originally we didn't think were a UK spec. We thought these were all a European spec added on as an option. But we found out that these were available as an option in the UK. Probably primarily because the 44s were slightly more horsepower, probably came on 650s as a choice as well, so just needed to cover that extra bit of width from the wider tyres. So we left those on. Originally I was going to take them off, but once we found they were an option, they stayed. The other thing left over for its life in Sweden is the block heater. So this is just an electric plug-in heater that warms the block up, but I didn't want to pull that off.